There's your dog. He misses you. Foxy, sit. Sit. Good boy. Can you say hi to Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. Hi. Down. Good down. Good boy. Good boy. Hi, Andrew.
Hello.
You want to say hi to Josh?
Hey Josh, how's it going?
Taking good care of your dog.
Yeah. The animals are good.
He's wet because he was just outside playing in the snow. Weren't you, Fox? Yeah, you were playing in the snow. You want to take Foxy outside and we'll show Josh how Foxy plays in the snow? Yeah. Okay.
Grab my shoes.
Foxy, you want to go outside and play? Want to go outside and play? You do? Okay, Josh, we're going to come back to you when we're outside. Foxy, you want to go outside? You... He's got it. Honey, how do you zoom?
Little trigger up on top. Good boy.
Hard for him to find his snowball once it gets out there a ways. He's got it now. Good boy, Foxy. Good boy. He brought it back. Good boy.
You're able to get snowballs.
Here, Foxy, I have a treat for you. Here, Foxy. Good boy. He likes cat food. His treats are his cat food. Here's our kitty. Hi, Chibi. How you doing, buddy? Chibi's just watching the snowballs. Yeah, you watching the doggy? Sandy. He's in his little bed. He's trying to stay warm. Bye, Josh.
Bye, buddy. See you later.
We miss you. Love
Bye.
you.